Introduction. One of the best things about selling online is that it can often mean you get to skip a lot of the grunt work that is normally involved in designing and selling a product. That means that you can avoid having to create a product from scratch, having to spend thousands on marketing campaigns, or having to manufacture physical goods. It has never been easier for anyone to decide they want to start making money and then begin making sales from the comfort of their own home. While there are many business models that allow for this kind of fast-tracked success, few can rival the impressive speed and efficiency of selling private label rights products and, as we'll see, profit from PLR. 6. This is a business model that can start earning you money in days or less. Not only that, but this is a business model that requires no technical skills and that anyone can use. There is no need for programming, video editing, or even advanced search engine optimization. Sound too good to be true? Well, in this case, it really is that good. Here's how it works. Essentially, a private label rights product is a product for which you have the full rights. That means that it is yours to do with completely as you please, and the only difference between a PLR product and one you make yourself is that it won't be exclusive. You find the product you want to sell, you pay just once, and then you sell it as your own. In addition, you'll be able to make any changes you see fit, put your own name on it, choose the price. As far as your customers are aware, this is a product that you made entirely yourself and they will have no knowledge of the involvement of any third parties. In using this method, countless savvy entrepreneurs around the world are making an absolute killing by selling products that are designed by professionals to sell like crazy. With no need for those people to write their own books, edit their own videos, even put together their own marketing materials, this is literally a profit from PLR. 7. Cut and paste business model that is simple to implement and almost foolproof in execution. What you will learn sound good? Then keep reading to discover everything you could possibly ever need to know about PLR. You'll learn how to choose the best PLR products that will be guaranteed to sell in large numbers. You'll discover how you can edit and customize your products to better fit your brand image and to increase your sales, and you'll learn to market and promote your products to bring more sales to your business. Here's just a few of the specific things you will discover throughout this book: where to find the best PLR products, what different types of licenses mean and what you need to look for, how to pick the right products that will sell the best, how to customize products to help them fit your brand, how to face competition that is selling the exact same thing, how to set up your sales page, profit from PLR. 8. How to process orders, how to build a mailing list, how to scale your business, and much more. Are you ready to start creating your own highly profitable income model in just a few simple steps? Then read on.